And welcome back. Next week is a very special week regarding dental care. And with us today is Stacy Harshberger with Absolute Dental Care to tell us all about it. Good to see you, Stacy. Welcome to the show.
Nice to meet you, Tom.
Okay, I guess the biggest question is what's going on next week?
Next week is our Invisalign week. July 29th through August 1st, we're running a special. And it's $500 off Invisalign treatment.
Right.
Free retainers, and then 2 years of free whitening after treatment's complete.
Okay, we're probably going to cover that again because you said 2 free things in there and everybody likes free things.
I know, everybody loves free.
Okay, for people, absolutely. You do, I do. Yeah, all right.
Exactly.
Okay, now for people who may not be aware, who haven't looked into it, what exactly is Invisalign and how does it help people?
Invisalign is braces. It puts your teeth in proper alignment.
Okay.
And one of the benefits, of course, to having your teeth aligned properly is that they're straight.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Which makes your bite better, which makes your smile, of course, much better.
Exactly.
You know, you don't get that self-conscious kind of thing going on.
Right.
And of course, it makes your bite better, makes your voice. There are so many things that people forget that teeth are so important for oral health.
Right. And once they're straight, they're easier to clean. Easier to floss, of course, so you're not getting the cavities between the teeth as often as you do with the crowded teeth. There's several benefits to straight teeth.
And when you go to the dentist, you don't have all of that pulling and poking and prodding just to get something done. Now, okay, you said they're braces, but they're not braces. How are they different? Because they work the same way, don't they?
Yes, it is braces, but without the metal. So instead of having the metal brackets on your teeth with the metal wires, you have clear attachments is what they're called.
Okay.
And then the trays, I brought a sample. The trays slip over the attachments, and then so the movement, the pulling of the trays on those attachments is what moves the teeth. So it's braces, just prettier.
Now, as you go, well, yeah, prettier because people get to see your teeth. It's not all the braces. Now, as you go through time, you change things, don't you? Because you've got to move them a little more every time. Is that what the idea is?
Yes, you will change your trays every week to 2 weeks, depending upon how fast you're moving. So then the next week you're pulling in a different direction instead of the, where you were pulling the previous week. So that's how they put them into alignment. Who
is Invisalign for? Is it for everybody, or do you have certain age ranges that it doesn't work for? Who's it for?
It's for everybody.
That's it. That's probably the whole statement right there.
That's what it is.
What is it like if I've got a bite that I know is not right, or I've got teeth that are crooked? How do you set up? How do you work this to start this kind of procedure?
Well, you just call.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Call the office, get an appointment set up for next week, and then it's a super easy process. It's non-invasive. We just start with a simple scan around your teeth. It takes about 10 minutes or less to do that. We take some photos on an iPad. We send all of that to the Invisalign lab, and in 2 weeks, you're on your way to straighter teeth.
And the best word out of that whole thing was non-invasive.
Exactly.
And it's a hyphenated word, but it still is. All right, what do people need to do to take advantage of this special offer?
Give us a call.
That's simple.
Yeah, 417-725-4746.
All right,
and
it's that simple.
It's that simple.
It's going on all next week.
All next week.
And again, tell them the special offer.
Okay, so it's $500 off treatment, free retainers after treatment, and then 2 years of free whitening after treatment's complete.
All right, Stacy from Absolute Dental Care. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you. It was very nice meeting you.
It's going to be, next week's going to be pretty big. All right, coming up, Kim, once again, brings her A game to Ozarks Live. You know this is going to be good. Stick around.